India is the land of culture, the land of Lord Sri Rama, the land of agriculture and wildlife. Indians have been known to worship various animals as deities since ancient times. And several animals, including snakes, have an important place in Hindu mythology. Snakes are widespread throughout the Indian subcontinent and are found in diverse ecosystems. However, very few of them are known as the deadly snakes of India. India is a home to almost 300 different species of snakes. However, not all the snakes are dangerous. It is the venom of the snake that makes some species of snakes dangerous to human beings. Generally, snake venom is a modified saliva that is produced and stored in a special sac-like structure called venom gland. This venom gland is located on each side of the head, below and behind the eyes. When necessary, this venom is injected into the animal's body through a specialized tooth-like structure called fangs. The venom is specifically used to immobilize and digest their prey. There are 4 deadly venomous snakes in India that are responsible for medical emergencies in human beings. These are Indian cobra, common krait, Russell's viper, and Indian saw-scaled viper. Together, these are referred to as the Big Four. Among these Big Four, Russell's viper is responsible for most of the snake bites in India, followed by cobra, which is very commonly sighted in human habitat. Although these Big Four are deadly venomous and may be responsible for human-snake conflict in India, they play an important role in the ecosystem and food chain. And hence, conservation of these venomous snake is warranted in modern times.